Clear skies? No wind? It's the perfect day to launch this bad boy. Get ready to push the limits and soar to new heights with Hogs Sonic Rocket. Inside the box, you'll discover one Hogs Sonic Rocket, a USB cable for charging, 3 structural pieces to assemble the launch pad, and 1 instruction manual. It takes a lot of power to reach the clouds, so let's get this rocket charged up. You'll find the charge port here. One end of the cable inserts into the rocket, while the opposite end simply plugs into any USB charging device. See this blinking red light? It indicates that the rocket is charging. The light will turn off once the rocket is fully charged. A single charge can get you up to 50 flights. That's a lot of flying distance. The key to a successful flight is having a properly assembled launch pad. Make sure the pieces are angled correctly. Click them together and they'll secure right into place. You'll have the most luck snapping 2 pieces together first and then snapping in the last piece. Next, let's connect the rocket to the launch pad. There's a rotor at the base of the rocket. This is what helps the Sonic rocket soar. Now, you're almost ready for launch. First, make sure your launch site isn't too close to trees and buildings. Then, scout out a clean spot for your launch pad on level ground. Avoid tall grass, as it can get stuck in the rotor. The best conditions for flying are sunny skies with little to no wind, just like today. The Sonic rocket has 3 different power modes to reach new heights. Simply press once for a height of 50 feet. Press twice to launch a height of 100 feet, and 3 times for the ultimate height of 200 feet. Once you select your desired height, the rotor will spin on and off 5 times. This signals that the countdown to launch has begun. If you need to abort the mission, that's okay too. After the rotor begins spinning, you can press the red button once more to turn off the rocket. Ladies and gentlemen, we are prepared for launch. Keep fingers clear of the rocket and step away. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have liftoff. Sonic rocket will spiral safely back down to Earth for you to collect near the launch site. Mission accomplished. That was one epic Hogs flight. See you next time, team.
Shooting with Movi is simple. Slip your phone into Movi's clamp and run, ride, slide, skate, climb, and capture everything. You focus on the story while Movi turns every bump, jolt, and shake into smooth cinematic footage. Each Movi ship's preloaded with our favorite methods for creating stunning films. Majestic mode turns bumpy moves into smooth cinematic shots. Users can quickly toggle between presets and turn on or off horizon leveling with a single click. Echo mode allows you to select your start point, end point, and Movi takes care of the rest. This means a single user can execute shots that would normally take a small crew. Time-lapse mode enables you to compress time while executing dynamic moves. Movi can look up, down, left, and right very slowly and precisely, so that when played back at 5 to 20 times speed, your time lapses will be even more dynamic. Movi Lapse is a moving time-lapse. It allows you to cover huge distances and time spans and compress both to show your world in a completely new way. Sometimes to get the perfect shot, you just have to hold still. We built the Smart Pod mode into Movi that enables you to manually point wherever you want and know that Movi will hold that position perfectly. Great for family portraits, checking your squat form, or perfecting your golf swing. Movi was designed to play nice with a wide variety of cases and cinematic lenses. Stories.
Bruises prove hoverboards do not come with a safe mode. Well, we solved that problem and made hoverboards safe and usable for people of all ages. The patent-pending Hoverbike solves the problems typically associated with hoverboards. Hoverbike is a new, fun and safe mode of transport that virtually anyone can drive. As well as being easy for any age to steer and operate, the Hoverbike is comfortable, versatile, and has many practical uses. This product is not a response for the lazy. Hoverbike promotes outdoor fun, practicality for errands, measures 30 inches long by 30 inches wide. It is easy to install on hoverboards with 6 or 10-inch wheelbase. Can handle up to 220 pounds. The Hoverbike is easy to store, built for fun, convenient, and essential. Based out of South Florida, we're a small team of entrepreneurial-minded individuals looking to solve problems and have fun in the process. Right now, all the engineering is done, and we have tested the prototypes. The money we raise will be used to take the hover bike from prototype to production. Aside from being safe, hover bike is fun, giving people of all ages and needs a revolutionary way to transport themselves.
Introducing Auralucent, the toothbrush that reduces germs. It took 5 years of research and development with top dentists, scientists, and engineers to create this state-of-the-art technology that's as easy to use as 1, 2, 3. Just wake it, wet it, add your favorite toothpaste and optional opal light activated gel, and you're ready for a whole new way of cleaning and brightening. The therapeutic red and blue light gradually intensifies as you begin to brush, emitting the same type of safe and natural light that's been used in dental offices for decades. This technology has proven to fade stains and gently accelerate your daily teeth whitening. Light floods all surfaces of your mouth, including your tongue, where the bacteria that cause bad breath accumulate, and cleans areas unreachable by a conventional toothbrush, such as between the teeth and even below your gum line, selectively targeting and reducing harmful bacteria so beneficial bacteria can thrive, promoting a balanced oral microbiome and a healthier immune system. Mounting scientific evidence shows that harmful oral bacteria can enter the bloodstream and wreak havoc on the body. A healthy body starts with a healthy mouth. Technology, manual or sonic brushing modes, and customizable motor intensity for total comfort and control. All brilliantly designed to reduce germs, freshen breath, whiten teeth, and improve gum health with no change to your brushing. Elevate your oral hygiene, health, and happiness every time you brush. The toothbrush that's light years ahead is available now. Auralucent, simply brilliant.
How was your day?
Hey, love. It was good. It was really fun.
Hi, Walker.
Hi, Jen. Let me help.
Hi, Walker.
Hi, Amanda. Music.
Hello. Phone connected.
Wake up your heart, wake up your mind. You'll find the
There you go, Rod, and shop. This is Mike.
Hey, Mike, can you get me some coffee before my 9 a.m. meeting?
Yeah, absolutely.
Thanks. Hey, don't be late. It's your first day.
Okay. Take me to the nearest coffee shop.
In 100 feet, turn right. Turn left. Turn right. Turn left. Arrive.
It's the perfect day to launch this bad boy.